nerve-wracking just watching Dorian just to our east, just battering the Bahamas. So right now, as we look at that satellite view, yeah, still dealing with storm surge and flash flooding, although not as bad as earlier, though, as the eye wall is filling in and not looking as well defined. And then you'll notice the direction that Dorian is taking. And as we have been tracking this, it made landfall on Sunday, and it's just incredible to think that it has just been sitting and spinning over here over the Bahamas for about 24 hours. And of course, just bringing damaging winds and life-threatening storm surge and just tremendous amounts of rain here over Grand Bahama. This is for the last 18 hours, finally moving, slowly but moving to the northwest. We can just call it crawling at 2 miles an hour, and it is really just scary to see this just offshore, right? It's about 100 miles to the east of Fort Pierce. It's Category 2 as of the latest 12 p.m. position update, and you can see the winds at 110 miles an hour moving northwest at 2 miles an hour, and it is continuing to move northwest here as we head throughout the day today. So even in Palm Beach County, going to continue with those gusty squalls, and also for us here in South Florida, Broward, Dade, and the Keys, we're dealing with some gusty showers and storms possible throughout the day. So we are still likely going to feel the effects because Dorian is moving so slowly to the northwest, and we'll continue along that path as the National Hurricane Center is forecasting the center to be out to the east. Any little wiggle or wobble to the west could heighten the impacts felt around the rest of the state of Florida. So by this evening, likely to the east of Melbourne, and then as we head into tomorrow morning to the east of Daytona Beach likely, and then Jacksonville as we get into tomorrow, likely midday or the afternoon before it takes a turn to the northeast. Now, folks in Georgia and the Carolinas really paying close attention here and getting ready just in case, because there is a potential. There's a lot of uncertainty as to whether this will remain offshore. Dorian will make landfall as a Category 2 here, possibly on the South Carolina or North Carolina coastline going into Thursday or Friday, and then the Mid-Atlantic, Northeast New England areas will also be closely watching Dorian because it could be just offshore as a Category 1 heading into the weekend before it continues to move northeast into the Canadian Maritimes. Hurricane warnings continue for the Bahamas. We have tropical storm warnings for Palm Beach County, areas north of there. Hurricane warnings here along the central northeast coast of Florida, inland areas now. Even Orlando dealing with a tropical storm warning and hurricane watches and warnings along the Georgia, South, and Carolina coastline, as well as storm surge warnings and watches, although Palm Beach County no longer dealing with the storm surge watch or warning. Most of the models in agreement that Dorian will move north due to a weakness in the steering pattern, and a trough is going to help to steer it to the northeast as we head throughout the next few days. So yeah, those hurricane force winds extending out about 50 miles from the center, and tropical storm force winds extending out 175 miles out. So with more on our local effects, we have meteorologist Dave Warren with us.
Yes, watching the radar here because we're getting these bands of squalls that come through the area. Now, first you have Dorian. The eye's expanded just a bit. Still that eye wall over Grand Bahama, but these bands of rain continue to move through the area. And look at the wind speeds now. They've increased a bit. There's 43 miles an hour with the buoy there, sustained 28 in Melbourne, but they've turned to the west to northwest here across Palm Beach County, Broward, and Miami-Dade. So that's why they canceled the storm surge warning there in Palm Beach County. The wind's blowing offshore, but it's increased and may continue to increase with gusts near 40 miles an hour. That's not sustained, just a gust of 38 miles an hour in Pompano Beach and Fort Lauderdale at 36. Now these squalls move through the area, one right around Boca, continuing to move south, and they'll continue to fill in there up to the north, even working their way inland towards Lake Okeechobee. One thing I want to watch here is the lower Keys. Here we have a long tail of moisture that wraps around, and as Dorian continues to move off to the north, it might drag that across the area. So we could be dealing with some more heavier showers in the area tomorrow. Today, just gusty squalls, worse to the north. Tropical storm warning. Take the boat out 25 to 30 knots, 9 to 11 foot seas, and the extended forecast. More typical summertime pattern coming back with sunshine and storms, with temperatures back above 90 degrees.